Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on distance formula worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the distance formula. We have 8 questions there to answer. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So you're able to go to the last slide if you need help. Click on the link that's provided and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so and then I'll move on to the next slide, which gives you all the answers. Obviously you can pause this slide for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So here we have the answers to the previous slide. Again, I'll leave it on for about a minute or so you can check your answers. Obviously you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.